Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel and Facebook page. Today I will show you how to change PABX Tel extension number using manual programming system. Let's go start. Press the prog menu and typing your password into the machine. My password 1234. Now system program number is 003. Shows screen the extension number mode. Press enter, and again enter click. Go to the number which the change by using the array button. Now, we are changing 103 to 110 extension number follows us. First, select number 103 and click on to clear button. Provide the number 110 and click the next or enter button. Now disconnect and connect to the telephone receiver. If you are first visiting my YouTube channel and Facebook page, please subscribe, like, follow and notify the bell icon click and see your next updated